My Hire tutorial video. How to create a store. First, you need to have an account. Go to the profile page and click on Create a Store. Enter store details. Users can still request to a hiring start or end on a Sunday or Saturday, no matter of your answer. If you want, you can create an in-app questionnaire or hiring form by answering yes and clicking on Create a Form and filling in questions. If you are a registered Australian business, you can fill in your details about your businesses by answering yes to the question regarding an ABN. Click on Create a Store. How to create listing within a store. Click on the middle blue button at the bottom. Enter listing details. You can select which image will be shown first by clicking it. When entering the pickup and drop-off location, please use your postcode. When setting the price, you can deselect all price options, i.e. 3 days, 7 days except for the 24-hour price. Click on Post Item. How to hire an item. Click on the item you want to hire. Read the seller's terms and conditions. Click on Hire Now. Enter hiring detail. Click Hire Now. You will then be taken to our payment processing page to enter your payment details and click Pay. Your hiring request has now been sent to the other user, and they will accept or decline your hiring before the set hire start date. Once they have accepted the hiring, contact the other user regarding a pickup time. When you go to pick up the item at the start of the hiring, you should fill out a pickup agreement form on your phone for them to accept on their phone before you leave. When you go to drop off the item at the end of the hiring, they should fill out a drop-off agreement form on their phone along with a review for you to accept or dispute it on your phone within 3 days. Hiring completed and the funds are now in your wallet. How to access funds. Go to the profile page and click on the gear settings icon at the top right. Click on Wallet. Click Withdraw Request and enter the amount, then press Add. Now our My Hire team will validate the request within 3 business days and release the money to the account you gave us when we were validating the request.